Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple step on how to download Candy Crush Soda Saga application. Candy Crush Soda Saga is a popular mobile puzzle game developed by King. If you want to get the application downloaded on your preferred devices, then here's how you can do it. If you're using iPhone, open up your App Store. If you're using an Android device, open up your Play Store. Now go to the search box and type in Candy Crush Soda Saga and look for this application. Now tap on the Get button to begin the download. Wait for the application to be downloaded on your iPhone. Once the installation is completed, tap on the Open button to launch open Candy Crush Soda Saga on your mobile device. That is how you can easily install and download the Candy Crush Soda Saga game on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.